Salam hello, Chef Obi di Media Preview, The Iconic Malaysian Evening Buffet. Tema istimewa daripada Dewan 1958, The Links dan juga cawangan BSC, Bangsa South Centre. Suka cerita Chef Obi kongsikan di sepanjang Media Preview ini. Jom kita layan speech Datuk Chef Wan Ismail Part 1.
Deepest thanks to Datuk Chef Wan and his talented team, the dedicated staff of Dewan 1958 and our partners for making this evening possible. Your presence completes this celebration. Just to remind our fellow media, we will have a press conference at around 4:30 later at the room next door, Songket 9. So don't worry, I'll remind you when it's around 4:30, we can proceed there for the Q&A sessions. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, please join me in giving a warm welcome to Dr. Chef Wan. Datuk.
A very good afternoon to all of you. Selamat tengah hari. The Chinese, you can understand not? Saya cakap Melayu. Melayu je tak faham kita orang cakap Cina kan? Lepas tu nak Cina cakap Melayu. Macam mana tu? Masa dia masuk Chinese, I know lah Chinese. Kau my mother always scold me lah. I was a very naughty boy before. Asyik kena sumpah je. Say my mother Chinese kan. Half of us peranakan nyonya, So I'm used to that. Betul? Kena marah, I know that lah. Chinese know that. Kecil, very naughty. Anyway, it's lovely to see all of you. Sorry I'm a bit late today because I was at TRX to meet also a few people down there for something lah, Then I had to rush back here. Nanti tu yang lambat sikit pun. Lambat pun tak lambat lah, 5 minit je kan. But for me 5 minit lambat already. Because in the kitchen when you work, you need to be utterly disciplined. Especially when you need to produce this kind of quality of food. It's a lot of dedication, hard work, you name it lah, And I was just on board the Star Cruise last few days, and I was just watching how the staff on the Star Cruise between Port Klang, Medan, and Singapore were all working, because I was there also to do my demonstration with 300 of my fans. That they were all sold out tickets, and all these auntie all having such a wonderful time with me. Especially makcik-makcik nyonya semua, they cannot get enough of me. How nice. Because their husband cannot give them that, So they have to turn to me, so to make them laugh, make them happy. So we had a wonderful time, As you know, I love old ladies anyway, So we were like all grandmother, from morning breakfast, lunch and all that. I said, what a wonderful job, I should just retire from chef and just go there and do that, Then we had a cooking demo, which turned out to be like a stand-up comedy also. We did laugh and laugh and laugh. A few ladies want to kencing some more. Lucky lah, next time must come with a Pampers, So other than that, it's been a very, busy 2 weeks for me. Because I came back from Serengeti, Tanzania. Just about 10 days of safari, then came back. Lucky I was not eaten by the lion. That was a very different story. And but I have a lot of ideas for other wild food for you all. But I don't know whether it's Ramadan we can have time. There's lion soup ke tidak, or zebra dessert, zebra crossing. So balik aja, then I was busy recording my Ramadan cooking show called Dapur Apa. We have 3 celebrity, Datuk Darul Hassan and also Ramli MS, the musician. All of us are given a challenge to cook and also share all our nostalgic experience, as a child growing up, whether food from our grandmother, grandfather, adik ke, aunties and so forth. And it's really, really nice to be able to also, have 3 so-called wise men to share a bit of, this culinary journey and also our life experience, growing up and so forth and so forth. So then I was on board the cruise ship, and then here I am today, very busy again with all this. So first of all, I like to just mention you what you see again. Yang ada ni hanya cuma sebahagian aja, because we cannot possibly put so much in this room because our buffet is huge out there di luar, and kita cuma ada limited aja ni. So we try to put the best of the best hari ni to present to you, more or less. But usually this is just about, I think, you know, about 1/3 of what it is lah, So it's not that we don't want to feed you 2/3, you know, but I think, you know, we rather give you the best of the best je lah. Because you are the best, Better right?